I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite finds. So is this mirror that actually if you don't have like a big setup for your makeup, but you want to have that extra light and that luxury light, this is the perfect solution. As you can see, you can just press one time and it will give you this white light that is very nice. As you can see, it just changed completely the way that you look at yourself while you're doing your makeup. And then if you want a different light, you press a second time, and this is more like a yellow light depending on your mood or whatever you want to achieve with the lighting that you're using. And then you have those two options, and then you can turn it off. Well, you actually have three options. So this one is also like a little bit more brighter. So then you turn it off, on, off, another light. It changes the settings depending on what you want to do. So this has been an amazing mirror for me, and I am very pleased with my purchase, and I really enjoy doing my makeup with this mirror, and the size as well is very, very good and nice. And that way you can just, set up your makeup area anywhere you want. You don't have to have a specific desk or anything like that, which is something that I really enjoy.